Shenzhen University Laser Co. Limited was founded in 2014, is a laser and automation equipment company, integrating R&D, production, sales, and after-sales service. We produce all kinds of laser marking machines, glass laser drilling machine, 3D laser engraving machine, high-precision laser cutting machine, picosecond laser marking machine, and other laser equipment. Our R&D department provides strong technical support and enable to receive the OEM, ODM projects. Can be customized on demand. Professional engineering research and development team to provide customized solutions to meet customers in the perforation, marking, cutting, and other aspects of the various needs of the products. 1. Strong R&D capabilities. The company has in-depth cooperation with many universities, such as Shenzhen University of Technology, and has a high-quality and experienced R&D team, and has won more than 30 technical patents and software publications. Technology is constantly updated and iterated, striving for excellence. 2. Fast delivery capability. The industrial part-style production plant covers an area of 1,000 square meters plus and has a modern production team of 30 people plus. Provide a strong guarantee for rapid delivery. 3. Strict quality control. Perfect quality management system. We have a professional incoming material testing and quality control team, and the products have passed a series of professional certifications such as CE certification, ISO certification, intellectual property certification, FCC certification, etc. to ensure product quality. 4. System solutions. The company can provide a full set of customized solutions for laser applications and meet customers' various needs in cutting, drilling, laser engraving, etc. Cheers, Jinlei. We will commit to be your best business partner and create more wealth for you.